Hey guys, thanks for checking in with me today. I've had quite a few people ask me to shoot a video of my cabin. So we've been kind of working on that for a while, and I didn't really want to show too much of it until I got a little bit further along. But you know, we started out, we put sheetrock in, we put ceiling in, plumbing, electrical, and we've just kind of gotten to the point where we are kind of finishing out the walls and stuff. So it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna take you inside, give you a little show around, and see if you've liked what we've done. This is a Ulrich storage cabin, actually storage building. It's a 12 by 24, so it's not huge, but it's in pretty good shape. So this is here's from the perspective from the entryway. I'm gonna switch this up a little bit and see, well, maybe I'm not. So I'm just getting used to this camera here a little bit. But here's kind of the living area a little bit. You can see my mini split back there. I put in a little bit of a loft at the top just for storage. And I just got the walls painted out, so really pleased with the way everything came out. It's looking pretty good. Don't be too judgy, I'm still not done. I've got to do trim around the doors, trim around the windows and such, but it's looking pretty good. You can see this is my kitchen area here, where I've kind of got it organized where you can see where things are going to be a little bit. I'm going to put a countertop in there so that you can see where that's going to go. Kind of got my refrigerator sitting over there, but we're going to have an L-shape countertop right there, and a cooktop, maybe a stove. I don't know. Definitely going to have a microwave above the refrigerator. So anyway, my windows came out looking pretty good. You know, I had really my first effort at drywall. I've done repairs and stuff in the past, but never a full out job. So I went ahead and I drywalled the windows, and they look pretty good, I'll have to say. You know, trimming around drywall is not easy. Here's my electrical that I put in. Put the whole box in myself. Pretty proud of that. Had an inspector come out and look at it just to be sure that I did everything right. Mounted my AC unit, did that myself. That's a DIY, so don't let anybody talk you out of that. Oh, there's my bed. You see, I've been sleeping on an air mattress for quite a while. So anyway, here's the bathroom area. Got my door there. And there's a light fixture. I don't know, I'm not liking this perspective, but I can't switch it apparently, so I'm kind of new to the filming game. But anyway, let me get another grip on this thing so I can get it. So I got me a little vanity and sink. Got that in. We're gonna have a closet space back here. I'm gonna have to finish that up a little bit. You can see my shower. I was pretty impressed with the shower installation. It's one of those kind of a plastic, I guess you might call it temporary, but for this purposes, it's going to be permanent. So this is about a 8 by 6 bathroom. Probably a little bigger than it needed to be because I really didn't need this extra space over here, but we're going to use that for storage for sure. And got me a nice toilet right there. I guess it's a Kohler. I got that on Marketplace for about 40 bucks. You know, I got the sink over here. Got that also for about $60. So I've been doing really well with Marketplace, trying to pick up stuff on the cheap as much as I can. So I don't want to put too much into this, but anyway, that's kind of it. Water heater up there. You know, we got all the amenities right now. Nice hot water shower. The only thing is we got to get our kitchen finished out, and then we'll be ready to go. Got a nice view looking out here back to the south. I like my where is that? Right there. I got my little thermostat right there for that mini split. But this is the view to the outside. I put in some gravel, about 3 loads of gravel out here, so I have a little bit of a driveway. Plus, when it's wet like this, you know, I can get in and out of here and not worry about getting stuck. Ask me how I know. I got stuck one time. And thereby, that's why I bought the gravel right away. But anyway, that's about all I got for you today. If before I forget, this video is sponsored by AG1. No, just kidding. But do hit that like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting up some more videos. Who knows, I may become a YouTuber. That's all I got for you. Thanks. See ya.